first day of being an unemployed individual. It's my first time taking a break after 4 years. And for the past 18 months, I never took a vacation leave.
Paano yung kilig?
Wait lang, nasakay na kami.
Bago siya lumayo.
Yun nga sinasabi nila
Pero
sa akin.
yung parang starting mo,
Pilit na lang.